Alright then, let's do some chips. Good morning, me old TikTokers. How we all doing? God bless you. Well, only strong people could do this, bear in mind. Look, on his shoulders, in there, it's called a rumbler, by the way, people. This peels our potatoes. So what we do, we pour those in there. Put that, cover it up. Leave that on, they're going to come out of there in a minute. Clean in there. You've got to do this, you've got to do all that by the end of the day, alright? We're quite busy here. Oi, oi, 2 stabilised. Right, let's open that up. There we go. That then comes out of there. You've got to give him a little wash. Out there. Might get a couple in there extra, we don't mind, we'll take them out by hand. Gets a bit wet round here, I will say that. Got to clean up after ourselves, so we move that hose out of the way. And that all goes, get rid of all that, because I don't like all this dirt everywhere, you know what I mean? Oi, oi, look at that. It's an old-fashioned kitchen, this one's been here for years, by the way, just to let you know. And we're going to come back over here, we'll slide this across. And this is called the chipper. Great invention this is, so what we do, it's all on. We're going to get the scoop. And we're going to put the chips in there. And look at that, they come out looking like chips. Yeah. Here we go, more chips. There you go, turn that off. Give it a little clean up, you know what I mean? Don't worry about it, it's all protected by the electrics. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put some water in it. We're going to wheel it over here because we want to wash the starch off, you see. What we'll do is take that out here and let the water out and let all the starch out, you see. Take things like that out as well because you don't want them too black, but you know, a little bit of peel like that won't make any difference to a chip. Gives it a bit of flavour, you know what I mean? So there we go, while we put them up there, drain all the water out properly. And then what we do, they're all washed off nicely. Give them a little turn over if you want, you know what I mean? Lovely, just to check them, make sure there's nothing in there that shouldn't be in there. Happy day. And then what we'll do, we leave them like that for about half an hour and just let that water drain right down. Put that back in there. Give this little bit of clean up. Make sure it's all nice and clean. As you can see, there's no hardly any water on them at all because I've drained them, washed all the starch off. I get my basket, fill it up, hey, chip off the old block. You don't want to fill it overfill it, but you want a nice bit of amount in there because it's quite a busy chip shop. As you can see, there you go. And if that had too much water in it, that would bubble over and it'd be horrible, the starch would come out. So then what we're doing, we're blanching them, give them a little shake up so they don't stick together. Same like these ones here. And then what we end up doing is taking them all up. And then we're halfway there now. And that is how the chips need to look like. After a couple of minutes, we'll leave that in there. And then we just go along like a little train. Put them in there when we're ready to serve. Ready for a busy day, once again. Thank you very much.